could work on It's a Small World, remember? Okay, and then if I play with you, I will play and you will play and we will start at the same time, okay? So you would be in middle C position when you practice, but if we play together, you move up to the next C, okay? And I will get ready, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, let's play. Play with me? Try it again, okay? It'll be so much fun. We'll see you soon, okay? Take care. Bye-bye.